Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Just thought I'd show you today these Bellis plants. If you're looking after a bit of early spring colour, these are a perfect bedding plant for that. You can plant them in the autumn if you want, because they're hardy, or you can plant them out in spring and they'll flower within a couple of weeks or even arrive to you flowering like this, and they'll keep going until early summer. In fact, some people keep them going all the way through, but when you get the really hot temperatures, July, August, they're probably finished, so a lot of people replace them as well. But they're very economical anyway. You get whites, sort of this reddy colour, and pinks. They're the main colours in these. They're actually related to daisies that you might sort of remember from making daisy chains as a kid at school or something like that. But they're a really pretty sort of cottagey plant, almost cottage feel to them. You can use them in the front of your beds and borders, mix them in with pansies, violas, use them on their own, underplant them with spring bulbs. They go great with muscari or narcissus, even at the front of a border full of tulips. So full range of uses with them, quite bright and just, yeah, really, really good. You can just use one colour as well if you want, if you've got a colour scheme. So just use the white against yellow, for example, and that will just bring that tone down a bit, a nice bit of spring colour. Or you can be a bit more in your face with the sort of ruby red ones, or you've got the soft sort of pink too. So choice is yours. Thanks very much, see you next time.